Hey, come back. Come back. Come back. What's up, YouTube? We're back again with another video.
Trolling in it, bitch.
What we doing today? Not the old folk.
I don't remember.
Oh, we mounting a fuel pump. That about it. I ain't got nothing else to do. Sadly, right now. I put the water pump on already. Oh, I can. I ain't got a boat. I finna say I can't put my pulley on. I got a boat.
You got a boat.
But they say one time use only. But you know, there's more time use can go up for a little more, you know, a few times. But yeah, that's what we doing today. Got my girl with me today. So, well, I'm gonna get her to help me and everything. And we're gonna fade back when we back down there in the country. All right, YouTube. We down here. Y'all see Malibu ski, double trouble. Finna take this hood off though. What side you want?
Oh.
Alright, what you do, pick it up on the back first. Chain right here. Alright, get the front. And go in the car. And there we go. Obviously, y'all have seen this a lot. So no, you don't lose those. As y'all can see, y'all done seen this a lot. It's our first time seeing it.
In person.
Yeah. Because she watched the YouTube, obviously. You like it?
Look good.
Appreciate it.
They got a long way to go. We finna mount this fuel pump though, y'all. So I'm gonna put y'all a time lapse from a back angle, and we're gonna get to that. We jacked up. I ain't finna come back here. See if I can get the angle good for y'all. Oh yeah. Alright, finna go back in time lapse, y'all. She doing the work. Huh?
Is it even working?
Yeah, you just gotta keep going till they lock washers. Huh? They got a rubber piece in it.
Yeah, I feel like it's not coming.
Oh, it might be spinning the whole thing. All right, y'all. It's the finished product. Y'all see, and it's gonna be seen even more when I get the fiberglass bumpers on there. So yeah, I need a fuel filter now, which I got one, but it came off the 8 stuff like that. So it's 100 micron, but I need one with an 8. So all this is, I need one with a 10, all these 8 before the pump and stuff like that, but I got holes all in here now because I swapped the pump 3 times. But this is the last swap. So it should be good now. I'll see you. But yeah, y'all. It's the finished product. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know this was a not too long of a video, but I had to bring y'all some kind of footage. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. All that good stuff. And we out of here, y'all.